In this video, I'm going to show you how to check shared files in Google Drive quickly and easily. This is super useful when you want to find files someone else has sent you, or when you want to see which of your own files are being shared with other people. If you use Google Drive often, knowing how to check shared files can save you time and help you stay organized. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser or app and sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main Drive page, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where all the main navigation options are located. To see files that other people have shared with you, click on Shared with Me. This section shows documents, folders, images, and other files that have been shared to your account by coworkers, classmates, friends, or anyone else. After you click Shared with Me, you'll see a list of all the shared items available to you. You can browse through them and open any file you need. If the list is long, you can use the search bar at the top to find a specific file faster. You can also sort through the items depending on how recently they were shared or how often you access them. Now, if you want to check files that you personally shared with other people, go back to the left sidebar and click My Drive. This section contains the files and folders that belong to you. Once you find the file or folder you want to inspect, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Share. This opens the sharing settings for that item. Inside the sharing window, you'll be able to see the list of people who currently have access. You can check their names, email addresses, and permission levels, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. This is the best way to confirm exactly who can open, edit, or manage your file. If needed, you can also change permissions from this same screen, or remove access completely. If you're checking a shared folder instead of a single file, the process is the same. Open the folder's sharing settings and review everyone who has access. This is especially helpful for team folders, school projects, and shared workspaces where multiple people may need different levels of access. And that's really all there is to it. To recap, use Shared with Me to see files others shared with you, and use My Drive plus the Share option to see who can access files you shared yourself. It's a simple process, but it's one of the most important things to know if you want to manage Google Drive more effectively. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.